So it kind of looks at computer science on a bigger global scale. They learn different programming languages. The one that we focus on is JavaScript. We do a lot of data collection. We talk about trends that we'll see in data. We talk about IPs and routers and different broadbands and things like that. So at the end of the course, they are responsible as part of their AP project to create an app.
So Intro to Programming is a really good introduction to the artistry of computer science, and it looks at specifically 2 different languages. So we look at Alice, which is a very drag and drop world where it's pictures and you get to see everything and it's very visual. And then we do Java the second quarter of Alice. So it's a 1 semester class where we do half Alice and then half Java. They get to do a final project where they actually get to decide, take everything we've learned and kind of put it all together, and people make some pretty cool games based on that. So AP Computer Science is a year-long course in the language of Java. It's a course that focuses on preparing the students for the AP test in May. But we also do lots of projects in the class. We spend an entire quarter on blackjack, so the kids actually get to make a blackjack game. So we do a ton of pair programming where the kids are working with the person next to them or a new partner in the class, and they're trying out, the concepts that we're learning.
iOS app development is a course that gives students the opportunity to learn how to create apps for iPhones. It's really hands-on, right from the first program you write, you're making something that can be put right onto a phone, an iPad. We can even program something for an Apple Watch, for the Apple TV. In iOS app development, students learn the basics of the Swift programming language, which is the language that Apple uses for iOS devices. Computer science courses are really helpful because they give you an opportunity to really make use of all the skills you've been learning in your math classes, in your English classes, in your art classes.
It's a problem-solving skill. As more and more things are going to become on the internet or as part of a computer, it's going to be almost a requirement for every job.
Having these skills sets you apart for any field you go into, and will set you apart when you're applying to college and applying to jobs.
It also gives them an opportunity to really display their creativity.
It's really fun and really enjoyable. The class itself, the projects, I don't ever dread doing homework. I don't ever dread coming to class. I always look forward to it.
There's just so much to learn every day, and you're working with other people, and I love doing the homework.
You can combine any passion that you have with computer science to solve a problem. And I think the feeling of having control over problems in the world is one of the most empowering feelings you could have.